Well, we are less than 100 days out from Atlantic hurricane season, and here's a look at our list of 2025 hurricane and tropical storm names. That start at A and Andrea and go all the way down to W with Wendy, and they alternate from traditionally male and traditionally female names down the list. You can see a few. Dexter, Karen is in there, Jerry, Olga, just to name a few. Now, Atlantic hurricane season begins on June 1st and goes all the way through November 30th. In terms of putting together a forecast, this is going to be a tricky one because we're forecasted to be ENSO neutral. That means we're neither in El Nino or La Nina. And what that does is it can create a big variation in hurricane and tropical storm activity. The other thing that we're tracking, exceptionally warm ocean temperatures. We've had that all last year, and in fact, this January, we were setting records for warm sea surface temperatures, and that will likely continue into hurricane season. That acts as jet fuel and helps promote hurricane and tropical activity. But when we're looking at all this together, it will be a tricky tropical forecast. What we can tell you for sure is that Atlantic hurricane season begins on June 1st and historically peaks right around September 10th. Now, as we get closer to hurricane season, make sure that you are checking back with us here at CBS 19 and of course with your local National Weather Service station for the latest tropical activity happening near you.